Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make oatmeal gel for hair. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You will need 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, a saucepan, and a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. These items are readily available and will help us create a nourishing hair treatment. This natural gel offers excellent hold and hydration for your hair. Now let's start cooking our oats. Pour the 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 2 cups of water into your saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. The oats will soften and the water will begin to thicken, creating a creamy consistency perfect for our gel. Once your oatmeal mixture has simmered and thickened, it's time to strain it. Place your fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth over a clean, heat-safe bowl. Carefully pour the warm oatmeal mixture into the strainer. Use a spoon or spatula to press down firmly on the oats, extracting as much of the liquid gel as possible. This step ensures a smooth, pulp-free hair gel. After straining, let the oatmeal gel cool down completely to room temperature. Once cool, transfer your fresh, natural hair gel into an airtight container. Storing it in the refrigerator is crucial to maintain its freshness and extend its shelf life. This homemade gel will remain effective for about 5 to 7 days when properly stored. Enjoy your natural hair styling solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.